Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to write a program to print the list of prime numbers till the given number. So which means if the user enter 11, we are going to print all the prime numbers till that number. Okay, so to solve this problem, first of all, we need to know what is a prime number. Okay, and how to check if the given number is a prime number or not. So for that, I will be using the program that I have written in the previous video. For the explanation, you can check my previous video. Let's go to the editor and then see the program, what I'm talking about. So this is the program that we have written in the previous class. Now I will just modify this program to accommodate the new request. So what is the request now we have? So we need to print all the prime numbers till the given number. So let's say something like user, we're taking input from the user and storing it in num here. Okay, so this particular piece of code will check this num is a prime number or not, but we need the list. So what I will do is I will take another for loop, and this time what I will do is I will take as like x in range, and again I will start from 2 to num plus 1 because we need including that number as well. Okay, and now we need to move this entire code one level down. Okay, so seems like this has not gone. Yeah, now it is perfect. Now let's see how it will behave. So we have x first. Okay, so we have to give x here, and instead of num here also x. And it's not a prime number, we need not to print this one because we don't need to print the given number is a prime number or not. Okay, I will just block this print statement here, and here also instead of this entire thing, what I will do is I will just print that number itself, which is x here in this case. Let's save this program and run. So let's take the same example 11. Boom. So we got the list of prime numbers till 11. And once again run the program. This time I will take a bigger number, maybe like 250. See, these are the prime numbers till 250 that we have here. So I'm not able to scroll up, but maybe in your case you can see that. So that is how we can write this program, guys. Okay, so once again, what I am doing is I am making use of the previous program, and I just made little modifications to satisfy the given problem here. And if you have any doubts about this program, please mention in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and share this video. I will meet you in the next video with another problem. Till then, take care.